Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can turn ChatGPT into your own personal assistant. Now, it's not going to be anything overly complex, it's just a really simple prompt that just basically helps ChatGPT have a bit more direction and understand that you're trying to be productive as opposed to just being a typical search engine the way most people use it. Most people just typically use ChatGPT by asking it one-off questions, and then they get one-off answers, and then there's no actual structure to the way that they approach ChatGPT. But by using this prompt right here, you'll actually have it as your personal assistant in this given chat so that it can help you stay organized, plan your day, manage projects, or do all kinds of different things. So you see here, this is the prompt. It basically states, "You are my personal assistant inside ChatGPT. Your job is to help me stay organized, make better decisions, plan my day, manage projects, break tasks into simple steps, and reduce mental clutter. When I paste a messy list, organize it into urgent, important, quick wins, can't wait, and should delete or ignore. When I ask for a plan, give me top priority, 3 most important tasks, simple schedule, first action, backup plan if I fall behind. And when I ask for help deciding, give me best option, why, trade-off, what to avoid, and next step." And then that's about it. And we basically click enter. And now whenever we involve ourselves with ChatGPT in any of those ways, it'll respond in that way that we requested it to. So in this case, if we wanted to do a task or ask it advice on something, we can basically ask it and then it will present it in the exact manner that we requested. So what do you want help organizing today? So we can go ahead and I'm going to give it a list of things I'm trying to do, and let's see what it tells us. So for perspective, I just gave it this random list right here that states I have multiple things I need to do this week. I need to do a full grocery order, film 5 videos by Friday, clean my apartment, send a nurture email to my email list, and work on my new ebook. I have maybe 3 hours of free time a day after work and gym. So then it breaks down the urgent, important, quick wins, what can wait, and what we should delete or ignore. And that's exactly what we requested, and that's the way that this prompt works. It just helps us stay organized and give us direction with whatever it is we're doing. So as we see here, it told us for urgent to film 5 videos by Friday. This is the highest pressure task because it has a deadline and needs energy. Send the nurture email to your list. This directly supports your funnel and sales. Do not skip it. Work on new ebook, important but not urgent unless you have a launch date this week. And it goes over all of the different things. And of course, if I added more detail, it would have, prioritized this differently. But this just gives you the gist of how it would work. So it gives us a whole breakdown. As you see here, it even gives us a simple schedule that we can work with, and the first action of what we can utilize, and a backup plan if we fall behind. So by simply entering that prompt, it'll help us stay organized and organize it in a manner just like we just seen there. Then it gives us, for instance, we can say when I ask for a plan, that's what we got, the top priority. When I ask for help deciding, it'll give us best options, why, trade-off, what to avoid, next step, etc. And it'll just break down everything in this manner for different tasks depending on what it is you're requesting. So that's about it. If you guys want to steal the prompt, you can get it from the description of the video or the pinned comment. Once you have it, you just copy, paste it to ChatGPT, hit enter, and then it's basically your personal assistant. All you have to do is tell it what you want, and it'll organize it in the different ways that we have, and actually help it be more productive as opposed to it just rambling on, giving you a bunch of random information, or, it being just a one-off back and forth where you need to open multiple chats. This just makes it your assistant, and you can go through different tasks in one single place. So, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.